Welcome to 101labs.net. We're in the 101 Azure Admin series. Today's topic is create an Entra ID external user. So in this lab you'll learn how to invite external users. We'll look into the process of inviting an external user. This is to the Azure Active Directory or Azure Entra. We'll also look at the basic information for the external user. Obviously use the Microsoft Entra Admin Center in our web browser. First step is we'll invite the external user. Do that by going to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Now you must have at least the administrator permission to do this. We'll go to Identity Users or Users and then we'll add our new user. Then we'll invite the external user. So let's go to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Go to Identity Users, All Users. We'll create a new user. And instead of doing that, actually we'll invite an external user. So we have to have an email, the display name and an invitation message. The basic step for external user. So in this section you're inviting the guest to your tenant using their email address. Here we have the first field, which is the email address where we're sending the invitation to. The display name of the external user and the invitation message. So let's create a temporary email address for this purpose. Go to a temp mail service. There's quite a few of these around. Create a temporary email address and then copy it. Once I receive the invitation from the Azure Active Directory, it will go into this inbox here. So I'll paste in the email address, put in a display name, call it the external user 1, invitation message which will be sent, we'll hit properties. These are the same properties which we used earlier for the internal user. We can keep it empty and we'll go to assignments. We can add the external user to a group or assign a role to the external user. Hit next and we'll be reviewing the information that we filled in these steps and then we'll hit the invite button on the bottom. So invitation in process. We've successfully invited the user by now should have received the email. So I'll click on the refresh tab here. Once the invitation is sent to the guest user, we can check the status for this guest user by going to Identity Users, All Users, select the invited guest user. We can go ahead to my feed section and locate the B2B collaboration title. We'll get the pending acceptance status here. You can also resend the invitation link to send another email. You can also select the properties for the user and view the invitation status. So I'll click on the user. Scroll down, you can see the user type is guest. Account status is enabled and the B2B invitation is pending acceptance. We've not opened the email, so let's go to the email, the temporary one we created. You can see the users receive the invitation message. And the user can accept the invitation, so you'll hit the accept invitation button here. This allows the user to sign in with the code, which Microsoft will send to them. So we'll hit the send code. Check the email inbox again. Just refresh this. And the verification code is here. So we'll copy this and then we'll paste it. And we'll click sign in. So it'll ask the user for permission, user has to accept. And we'll pick an account. We can do an ask later for this part here. And you can see here in the dashboard, user has successfully logged into the Entra ID account.